Deep in the rainforest, a sleek black logging truck faces a formidable challenge. A flooded river cutting through a stretch of unstable mud and hidden rocks. From the side, we see its full length hauling tons of timber, but it's the close-up details, the splashing water, flexing suspension, and mud-choked axles that reveal the true battle. This is where engineering meets nature's wrath. This isn't just mud, it's a battlefield. A monstrous red logging truck roars to life, buried up to its axles in deep, wet jungle clay. The ultra close-up captures every violent churn of the tires, each splatter of thick mud, and the fierce resistance as the engine groans against the weight. A brutal showcase of torque, traction, and survival instinct in the wild. On a forgotten trail shrouded in mist, a determined red logging truck climbs slowly and steadily up a mountain slope, scattered with loose rock. Its headlights cut through the fog, and the close-up frames its mud-streaked windshield and vibrating frame as it pushes against gravity. Every inch is earned, one mistake, and it's a long drop below. In the heart of the Highlands, a vintage red logging truck grinds its way over brutal rocky terrain. Caked in dust and grime, the old workhorse bears a massive load of raw timber as its tires crunch over unforgiving stone. Ultra-close shots reveal every scar, dent, and grit-packed crevice in the front grille and headlights, a raw testament to decades of hard labor in nature's toughest conditions.